This is Redneck Rutledge hollering at y'all. What's up, YouTube? This is how a fucking redneck woman snores. Yeah, you probably can hear her in the background if I be quiet. See? And I want to ask the question, you think you could sleep with that? Beside that? I mean, that loud ass snoring. Somebody answer me. It's Redneck Rutledge hollering on YouTube. And all this fighting bullshit, I think it needs to stop. I don't think we need to take the history away. I just think the bullshit needs to stop. That's my opinion. I don't know. I think it's stupid. This is Redneck Rutledge hollering. Hey y'all. Everybody on YouTube. And Minnie and Upchurch should do a song together. But I don't know what's wrong with them. That's alright. Eventually they might. He said he wouldn't. Minnie said he wouldn't, but they might eventually. This is Redneck Rutledge hollering on YouTube. But this is how a redneck woman snores. Okay, Redneck Rutledge is out. We'll holler at y'all later. I'm always in the groove. Peace out, YouTube. Love y'all. Did y'all hear that? That shit was crazy. Just remember, this is how a redneck woman snores. I can't even snore like that. That's crazy. I sound like a pig just now, but that's fine with me. I don't care. Hear the train? Or you hear her snoring? Let's see. Why can't you hear that? Y'all let me know what you hear there. I was just fucking around. Peace out, YouTube. We'll holler back at y'all later. Just remember, this is how a redneck woman snores.